Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Yeah. My daughter said that she always watching my video, but it's not creepy. She's so it's not bad, anak. My video is not creepy. I'm not eating a person. By the way, anak, thank you. I know that you're busy this morning and you give me mama a message, short message before you go to school. Mama, miss you so much and always take care. Always keep in touch to your papa. Tell him that be strong. And I hope that both of you is okay there in Denmark, even that mama is 1,000 miles away. Don't worry, mama is okay now. Yeah. I feel peace of mind in Philippines, maybe because there's a lot of kids here and I'll never feel bored. Yes, because you know, our family is big. Your family, Janines, in Philippines is the biggest family in Earth. Yeah, in Earth. Okay. And always remember that mama care of you. Yeah, if you feel down and you need advice, you need talk, we can talk together, okay? If you're free. And just call mama if you need me. Yeah, if you need something, just ask to your papa if he is a little, money to help you, maybe he can help you. I'm sorry, I'm not there all the time. Yeah, especially now, but I think this is good for us. Yeah, so you can have a silent life because you feel like I feel like when I was there, you're always thinking, mama, if, when it's gonna be okay. Yeah, but it's never be okay, anak, especially if the environment, my environment is noisy. Yeah. I cannot manage to have a noise yeah, around me. Yeah, much better to live in Philippines because here in Philippines it's a silence. Mama live alone. Yes, Lola and Kuya Gabo is moving to Papa Munit's house, maybe because mama is noisy too if I want to have a music. Yes. But don't worry, I'm fine. Lola is fine. Kuya Gabo is okay. And I wish that Kuya Gabo is go back to school again because he stopped. Yeah. This last year. So this coming June, it's school. They will start again in school. So they will go to school again month of June. So I'm gonna be busy here because because of my store. Yes, this is mama's store. Yeah, and I wish that I can have more soon. And if I get my pension, I will start a business. Yes, that's my dream. And anak, even that I'm away, you need to be behave and always think. I know that you know what is bad and good. Okay, I trust you, anak, and study hard. That's the key how to be success in life. If I'm failed to my dreams to go to school and finish studies, I wish that you're gonna be finish your studies, and I know that someday, if you're 18 years old, you can have your money. Keep it as long as you have an income. Save a little bit, spend little, and keep your money until that you can decide what you need to do to your money. I wish that our house in Reno is what I call that. It's gonna be okay. I wish that you have enough money, or maybe mama someday if I get my salary in YouTube, I will help you. I promise that I will help you to renovate that. Maybe someday you can build a big house or apartment backside of a backyard of our house, and I know that someday you can have a good plan for that, anak. Uh, try your best to talk Papa, so he's gonna be fine again, and I wish that everything is gonna be okay. I love you so much, anak. This message is for you. Mama made it for you. I don't need to post it, okay? Bye. I love you.